guys, Young Pants Rock. Today I have a Kennmore Victorian copy. Sort of like a Victorian. The events looks like it has like a Victorian on it. We get it with the 3-weight configuration. This fan does have some problems because if you reverse it the other way, watch. Here. If I turn on high, it only works on 1 speed. Watch. Look. It'll spin for a little while. Eventually it does stop. This is supposed to be high. Medium doesn't do anything. Low doesn't do anything. And it goes to off. Because this fan does have some problems. So on the other way it works the same thing. Well, not really. Well, it goes from high, medium, low. It works fine like this. Look. See if it does that. I got this at the Baltimore Habitat Restore in June 2016. It's a nice fan. Let's begin with the 3 configurations. 5 lights. Looks like a New Orleans, but looks like a Victorian copy a little bit because it does have these little flowers on there and stuff like that. Kind of reminds me of a Victorian copy, but Victorians are usually like 4 or 5 blades. Anyways, here's the light. Here's low. Here's medium. Start loading it on. Here's high. Look how fast it goes. Good shaking. Goodness, it's going really fast. And off. That's it with the 3-blade configuration. Next video will be the 5-blade configuration. Hey guys, this is the Kennmore ceiling fan with the 6 blades on. To show you the information about it. I forgot to show you. It's got wood, tube, cherry blades on each side. Here's the light. And here's the here. Hi. Ben, shovel's shaking. Light. Yeah. Also, sewage plate got chipped a little bit. Here it is. This one of the pieces got broken off because when I was trying to go on high, it just like broke off. Yeah, that got chipped off. That's it, the blades, I guess. Let's see. Let's try to see if I can. Not really spinning at the moment. That's it. That's the Kennmore ceiling fan. Thank you for watching.